Very good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 9 Electrical Conductivity of Liquids within this chapter of 8th class. Today we are going to study about Activity 4. What does this particular activity 4 give information? It gives information about a concept. That concept is called as the chemical effect of electrical current. A chemical, how it will be get affecting when electricity is passed to that particular substance. That can be get performed in the form of activity 4, which is also, we are doing this particular activity on a potato. Therefore, testing the effect, what effect it is? Chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effect of by passing electric current through potato. That particular concept, now we are going to do it. To perform this activity, we require material such as what I have taken potato. Take a potato, cut it into half, 2 halves. I have taken 1 half potato. I have taken. First one is that one is required. Next one is what? LED bulb. This LED bulb is used for what purpose? A tester purpose, in the form of tester. Tester what will do? Through a plug. If you place that for a tester, we can identify whether the current is passing through that particular plug or not. Easily we can identify by growing a small bulb which is existing within that particular tester. Simultaneously here LED bulb is also used in the form of tester. Next one is what? A cell. We are using it up. And conducting wires I have taken. These conducting wires are made up of copper wire. I have taken. Then afterwards 2 metal strips I have taken. 2 metal strips I have taken. These all are the material required to perform this particular activity. First of all, procedure, take a half-cutted potato. Just to take half-cutted potato. Then afterwards, 2 metal strips. This is one metal strip and this is another metal strip with a separation of 1 centimeter distance between those 2 metal strips. Fix it firmly within that particular potato. Then afterwards, what you do? You connect it by means of copper wire. I have taken here insulated copper wire. I have taken such that positive terminal is connected to the positive metal strip called as positive. Negative terminal of a cell is connected to the one more metallic strip which is placed within this particular one through LED bulb here, which is acting like a positive and negative there itself. This LED bulb is acting like what here? Tester. Connect this particular circuit and keep it up to how many minutes? 30 minutes or 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Allow that particular current to be passed through this particular potato. Then what happened? We'll observe that a greenish blue color spot is formed at a positive terminal of a metal strip, which is acting like what? A positive terminal. which is acting like what? A positive terminal. We'll observe that a greenish blue color spot is formed at positive terminal. And we also observe that there won't be any positive, any colored spot existing on negative terminal. Why it is observed in this particular way? Only on positive terminal point we are getting greenish blue color, but whereas on negative terminal point we are not getting any colored spot. Why? This indicates nothing but what? Chemical effect of electric current. As current is passing through this particular potato and the LED bulb is glowing, by the glow of LED bulb we can easily identify that current is passing through this particular potato. So as the current is passing through potato, we are observing a positive terminal, a greenish blue color spot is forming, but whereas on negative terminal of metallic strip we doesn't find any color. It indicates nothing but what? Chemical effect of electric current on potato. It is taking place when we are allowing current to be get passed through this particular potato. Got clarity on that is chemical effect. Up to here only it is given in our textbook, but what the process takes place he could not explain. But let me study that particular concept also there. When current is passing through this particular copper wire, current starts flowing from where to where? From high potential to low potential current passes. In the sense is nothing but what? Electrons will be moving from negative terminal to the top of the positive terminal of wire we can consider there itself. As the current is passing through this particular copper wires, by connecting metal, we are placing two metal strips of distance of 1 centimeter distance and connecting it to what? A copper wire within a potato, placed within a potato. Then what happened? We have seen that negative charge means what? More number of electrons will be that existing. More number of electrons will be that existing negative point. Therefore, from as the number of electrons existing at negative point will be more, so what happened? They start move towards positive terminal. They start move towards positive terminal. As they are moving towards positive terminal, one process will be taken place. That process is called as electrolysis process. What process we can call it a electrolysis process? A chemical substance which is existing within this potato. What chemical substance will be there? Starch will be that existing there. That starch is made up of glucose consisting of carbon as well as hydrogen there. So what happens? The effect will be taking place on that particular starch. Due to that reason, electrons will be moving from negative terminal to the top of the positive terminal. As more number of electrons are moving from negative terminal of this particular metallic strip to the top positive terminal of metallic strip, we observe that a green color spot, a greenish blue color spot will be formed at what? Positive terminal due to reaction with what? Potato. With the starch, electric current is get reacting. Starch is a chemical substance. That chemical substance start reacting with what? As electric current is passing to that one, it is reacting within that particular one. Due to that reason, we'll observe a greenish blue spot. At what point? At positive terminal, it will be get created as maximum number of electrons moving from negative terminal to the top of the positive terminal of metallic strip. This is the major effect is happening, which is allowing more number of electrons move from negative terminal to the top of the positive terminal, due to which what is there in this potato? Starch is existing. On starch, starch is a chemical substance. Starch is a chemical substance. Therefore, on chemical substance, one effect will be taken place. What is that effect? Chemical effect will be taken place. That chemical effect is appearing in the form of which color here? Greenish blue color. It is absorbed at positive point as electrons are, more number of electrons are moving towards negative terminal to result of the positive terminal at positive point, a greenish to blue color spot gradually increases. It indicates nothing but what? A chemical effect. On chemical, certain effect is happening due to passage of electrical current. By this we can understand that nothing but what? We are testing that the chemical effect, there is an effect upon potato, they are testing the effect of potato. By means of what we are tested there? But the greenish blue color spot is happening at a positive terminal. By this we have completed our activity within electrical conductivity of liquids by means of chemical effect on electrical current. Try to analyze this particular topic, how a chemical effect will be taken place. Instead of potato, you go through with some other vegetable there itself and try to perform an activity by yourselves and identify what type of chemical change can it be get happened when electric current is passing through that particular vegetable. We can identify it up here. A greenish blue color spot is happening within on potato there at positive terminal, not at a negative terminal. By this we have completed our activity, children. Try to analyze this particular activity and try to practice by doing various experiments by using carrot. You perform an activity there. By using any other substance, any other vegetable, try to perform and identify how the chemical effect of electric current, chemically how they will be affecting upon that particular vegetable when electric current is passed through it. Thank you for watching, children.